We ended up at a laundromat and William's doing laundry. He ran out of clothes since we're coming here for 3 weeks and a month. I guess if you're need change, you just go ahead and put in either the bill, the $1,000 the yen, or the 500, and it converts it to 5 or 10 coins. And they have a dryer for your shoes. So we put it on our shoes right now. That's why we're in socks. William's barefoot. And it's specially to dry your shoes. I'm sorry, wash your shoes, and this one's to dry. And then also there's a regular drum washing machine. But the cool thing, it says that auto liquid detergent is injected already in the machine. So pretty much like you don't need to bring your detergent. It automatically does it for you. Another cool thing is, let's say for example, like you're not here and somebody needs to use the machine, you go ahead and you take out their clothes, obviously if the cycle ends, and then you just put their clothes up here in the bin, so they could get it whenever they want. And they do the same for the washer and dryer combo machines. So let's say for example, this machine, you need to use it, you go and you take out the other person's stuff and you put it in their bag that they left behind hanging, and that's it. So let's say for example I needed this dryer, you go ahead and you take out the clothes, put it in the bag, and then just dry yours. And that's it. Cool.